Good morning. My name is Teacher Janice from Scholar under Dr. Osman. I will be your Year 1 English teacher for the academic year 2022. First off, let's start with something light. Let's sing Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week, Days of the Week. There's Sunday, then there's Monday, there's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, then there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now, do you know what day is it today? Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, moving on. What are we learning today? We'll be looking at the foundation again, which is revision on phonics. This is a review on what you have learned back in pra. Okay, so these letters, letter C and K, look different, but in English, they make the same sound, k. And even when you put them both together, it's still k. So C makes the sound k, K also makes the sound k, and when you put both together, it's still k. Next, you have the letters T and H. But for T, you have the sound T. For H, you have the sound H. When you put T and H together, they make the sound Th. Next, you have Q and U. Q and U put together makes the sound Qu. Even though the letter U makes the sound when you put both these letters together, it is Qu. Next, you have C and H together, and even TCH together. Both of these make the same sound, ch, ch, ch. And then you have letter N and letter G, which makes the sound mm, mm. Next, S and H. When you put them together, it makes the sound sh. Then when you put W and H together, they make the sound hua, hua, hua. Next, when you put the letter V and E together, it makes the sound v, v. Okay, before we begin, you were asked to buy 3 exercise books for the year 2022. I want you to label each exercise book with the word vocabulary for the first book, grammar for the second book, and comprehension for the third book. Okay, now moving on, I want you to be using your vocabulary book today with these words written in the book later. We'll start with the word pack, which is p-a-k, pack. Sack, s-a-k, sack. Back, b-a-k, back. Math, m-a-t, math. Path, path. B-a-th, bath. Quack, qu-a-k, quack. Quiz, qu-i-z, quiz. Quick, qu-i-k, quick. Chips, ch-i-ps, chips. Watch, watch. Ring. Shop. Shop. Whale. The eve. Dive. Next, look at the picture and write the words. So there will be a PDF worksheet. I can send it via WhatsApp, which is the example of how you would write it in the exercise book. But I'll also have a live worksheet where you get to match the words to the picture. And thank you for joining today's lesson. If you have any questions for me, you may WhatsApp me directly. And I'm very sorry if there was any mistakes with the learning today. And thank you again for joining today's lesson.